This technique is called the rubber ducky technique. And essentially it's like doing therapy on yourself. And honestly, it works so well. I don't recommend replacing therapy with it, but it's definitely an awesome supplement and one that I use myself quite frequently. And it's super simple. So basically what you do is you take a rubber ducky or a teddy bear or some other inanimate object. Some of my clients have used their dogs as well. And you just talk to this inanimate object as if it's a friend about what's going on with you. You know, there's certain things that we really need to get out. We need to talk about them. We need to vent. We need to organize our thoughts. But oftentimes when we're talking to a real person, we worry about their judgments. We worry about their stories. They might not say the right thing. They might, think something bad about us, or they might think we're going on and on about this thing for way too long. And so this kind of cuts all that out. You get this rubber ducky or this teddy bear or your dog, and you talk about all the things that are going on. You kind of brain dump, this is how I'm feeling. This is what I'm thinking. And as you get it out, you'll start to feel that relief of just like releasing all of your thoughts. And eventually what I like to do in this technique is I like to bring it back to appreciation at the end. So I get everything out and then I talk about, even though this stuff is going on, so I layer it with self-compassion. Even though this stuff is going on, even though I feel this way, I'm still good. I'm still okay. I'm still lovable. I'm still worthy. I'm still enough. I don't have to be perfect. I'm allowed to feel how I feel, right? So you layer it with self-compassion. And then at the very end, you can bring in some appreciation. And even though sometimes it feels like everything is going wrong, these are the things that I still really appreciate. I still really appreciate my partner or my kid, or, I still really appreciate that I get to go out for walks 3 times a week. And I still really appreciate whatever, right? You want to kind of infuse a little bit of appreciation there at the end, so that it's not just like a venting session, but honestly, the venting part of it is so powerful to just even understand what's actually going on with you. Sometimes there's a thought or a problem that feels like it's rolling around in our head and our body, and we don't want to address it because it feels scary or it feels too much. And then our body starts to shut down. We start seeing symptoms of stress. We start to, feel our back is hurting, or we have digestive problems. And when that stuff is happening, it's really a sign that there's something going on inside you that you need to let out. And so now, instead of having to have a close friend who you can talk to and who will just endlessly listen to you vent about this thing, you can use this rubber duck, this teddy bear, and really be your own support system. This is such a powerful technique. You kind of have to try it to see just how powerful it is, but I hope you do. And if you do, please leave a comment below letting me know how it went for you.